How you doing?
Great. I'm just thinking about my dad because he was in Serafina, and yeah, so seeing you and meeting you is like the craziest
What's
thing.
your dad's name? What's your
Dumisani.
Get out of here!
Yeah, he's crocodile. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Isn't that amazing?
Oh my god!
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? And I didn't get to meet him, but you did. Man, damn it! But that's so
A good man.
So cool.
Really a good man. Yeah.
He's so. Well, it's great to meet you.
I'm sorry, I'm staring at you. I'm like,
You're trying to see it? I have on 3 layers of face right now.
It's give me another hug. All right.
Welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Doja Cat and his father Domsani Dlamini. Most of you have heard this story by now, that American songwriter and a rapper Doja Cat, whose real name is Amaranta Zandile Dlamini, is the daughter of the South African actor Domsani Dlamini, whom we know as Crocodile on Sarafina, Chester on Yizo Yizo, and Mbodla from Isibaya. Apparently after Sarafina, he decided to stay in America, where he fell in love with Deborah Elizabeth and started a family. They had 2 children together, one of whom turned out to be a well-known singer, Doja Cat. Doja Cat's mom is not a media personality and has not revealed any of her personal details so far. Domsani was labeled as an absent father on Twitter after Doja Cat revealed she never met her father Dumisani, but he used to comment on her social media and YouTube by saying, "My African princess." So yeah guys, this is the story that shocked many people. Intombi yakho Dlamini ke le osibalukhulu jamakasijadu kumele azogcaba afake isiphandla enzele uMemulo. Guys, please listen to the interview below between uDumsani Dlamini and Metro FM and share your thoughts. Do you think uDumsani was an absent father, or there is other explanations or reason that led him to be absent in his children's life in America? I love you so much guys. Bye.
Hey, good morning to the listeners and everyone.
When you look at your resume as an actor, I mean, it is absolutely incredible, from the days of Yizo Yizo, even before with Crocodile, and still to this day you have remained to be in the hearts and minds of millions who watch your characters. What do you say about your career in, I don't even know how long it is, 20, 30 years?
There's a lot, man. There's a lot about my career. I feel anointed. I feel blessed. Well, as I come from the family of musicians with my mom and my dad, people who were talented. I think I've got that all from my family. I'm proud. I'm happy.
No, indeed. And we're happy that you remain in the game and have so much to offer. We have also picked up something very interesting here on social media. Words by a certain Doja Cat, whose real name is Amaranta Zandile Dlamini, who has been doing a number of interviews saying that you are her father. Is this true?
Yeah, uNtombi Zandile Dlamini, that's her name. Of course, Americans, they can't call that name Ntombi Zandile Dlamini, so they have to hook up with Doja Cat, which is the stage name. That's my baby girl. That's my baby girl, and I love her, and she loves me. Yes, that's my baby.
So why does she keep saying that you guys have never met? I mean, is that true?
You know, my brother, if I could, of course, because now it has become a stain all over social media. Of course, because she's a superstar. Don't forget, also I'm a superstar. So, so of course, but of course, what do you expect if you birth and you give birth to the same seeds that you are? What I can say, my brother, I've been looking for my daughter as well. And you mustn't forget, these Americans. Americans will always want to have something that causes stir, so that she stays there in the media, and then it becomes a talk all over the world. I've tried to search for my baby, and then the company that runs her all things in terms of entertainment, they've been blocking me because they know that if I could get hold of her, maybe she'll disappear in the picture. Which, these Americans, my man, they always want to create a story to make things happen. And I know my daughter, wherever she is, she's looking for me. And I've sent messages, and we look in a social media trying to connect, and they deny it. They don't want me to connect with her. This is a South African growing up in America. Of course, she was born in America. What do you expect? Americans, they will never want to lose her.
Well, Dumisani, what was it before Doja Cat became Doja Cat that you've got a daughter? And I'm sure there was a connection with the mother. So she's only been in the public eye over the last 3 years or so. So what about before then? Did you ever try to reach out to her before she became a superstar? And why is it up to the company and not up to the relationship you would have had and the connection you would have had to her mom?
Yeah, well, my daughter was looking for me a long time ago, and then we connected. We spoke. She got hold of me. We spoke. We connected. But now, I think this time, because she's there, she's on top, so this becomes a topic because she has to grab the whole world, especially in South Africa as well, because she's a South African, and her dad is here. I think it's a made-up thing.
All right.
But I'm looking forward to connect with her, because as a Zulu girl, she needs to come home as a uMemulo, afake nesiphandla, and meet with her ancestors and everything. That's the most important thing. That's what
the company is blocking you, so I don't know if that's going to be possible. But let us know what you're currently working on. I mean, obviously, Mo spoke about your long resume and your successful career. What are you currently working on? Because you are someone that is still exciting for us to watch on the screen. Okay,
as I'm talking on my lockdown, I call lockdown, it's a cell, like I'm a prisoner in my house. Anyway, I'm a prisoner in my house because when I go down, but it's very sad what's going on right now, because I was working on, I got a contract with Hostela Season 2, and I got a contract with uMemulo, and of course I work on uMbango and also Isibaya. And those are projects that I'm working on just because of this lockdown, and then everything just shut it down. But we're looking forward again to go back to my work.
All right.
Indeed. Bro Dumisani, before I let you go, what would you like to see happen next with the situation between you and uZandile? Do you think that you are closer to meeting, despite the companies there blocking you and etc.? I'm sure there's other avenues. What would you like to see happen next?
No, soon something is happening. Already everything is done. I'm working with my family and also on her side. It's just that there are things that I can't disclose in the media. Soon people will be happy to see Zandile Dlamini coming home. And of course, and I know when she comes home, it will be one of the biggest things, because she's a South African, and then she's raising a flag of South Africans, regardless of what the company is saying. To be coming home, with art and culture will talk, because she has to come home. But mostly important that she's coming home to Dlamini and Zofagis Pandla.
Oh, so when you say arts and culture, you mean the government? So is the government helping you?
Yeah, we're working on that also, because she's a superstar. Remember, this girl, she's got a private jet, and you can't just bring her here. But as a family, we're working on that. So when she comes home, she also do some shows or something.
All right, we'll follow this one closely, and as you are able to give out more details, we'd love to engage you on that. Bra Dumisani, we appreciate your time. All the best in reconnecting or connecting with uZandile, and hopefully daddy will meet daughter, and daughter will meet daddy one day.
Yes, I love my daughter, and I know she loves me as well. But now, hope you go back on the other side. She said I'm a good man. That's a guru. It's a superstar. I'm glad. I'm happy.
All right. Dumisani Dlamini on the line on the Morning Flavor. Thanks for your time.